Kingdom Animalia. Kingdom Animalia. Animals are eukaryotic, multicellular heterotrophs, meaning they need to obtain and eat food for energy. Animals are grouped based on the presence or absence of certain structures. Chimpanzees are one of humans' closest relatives. Animal characteristics. With the great diversity in this kingdom, it is important to point out that there are characteristics shared by all its members. All animals are multicellular heterotrophs. Animals must eat other organisms to obtain their energy. Animal cells are supported by their cytoskeletons and by collagen. Animals do not have cell walls like plants or fungi to give rigidity to their cells. Collagen forms strong and flexible rope-like fibers that help support cells. Animals are diploid and usually reproduce sexually. Most animals have Hox genes, which are homeotic genes that define the head-to-tail pattern of development in animal embryos. Invertebrates and vertebrates. Animals can be divided into two groups based on the presence of a backbone or chordate. Organisms that do not have a backbone are known as invertebrates. There are a wide range of organisms that are known as invertebrates. Vertebrate classes. All vertebrates have a backbone, or chordata. The group vertebrate contains the following classes: fishes, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. Fish. The first recognizable vertebrates were fish. Lampreys and hagfish are two primitive jawless fish still in existence today. Fish are the dominant aquatic vertebrate. They use their gills for gas exchange, or respiration, pulling dissolved oxygen from water. The heart is present with two chambers. Fish achieve locomotion using fins. Two important classes of fish are cartilaginous fish, which include sharks, rays, and chimeras, and bony fish, all other fish. Bony fish are further divided into ray fins and lobe fins fish. Lobe fin fish have a series of bones in their fins. They are the ancestors to all land vertebrates. Amphibians. Amphibians evolved from lobe-finned fish. They are the first tetrapods, or vertebrates with 4 limbs. They can live both on land and in water. However, they need a source of water in which to lay their eggs. Their heart is 3-chambered, with respiration occurring through gills or lungs. Examples include salamanders, frogs, and caecilians. Clockwise from top right is the Samoria, which is extinct, the Mexican borderlong caecilian, the eastern newt, and the leaf-green tree frog. Reptiles. Reptiles, birds, and mammals are adapted to giving birth on land by using the amniotic egg. This type of egg creates a waterproof container for the safe development of the embryo. These 3 classes are referred to collectively as amniotes. Reptiles were the first amniotes. They all have 3-chambered hearts and are ectotherms, which are cold-blooded, meaning they cannot control their body temperature by ramping up their metabolism. Oviparous reptiles lay eggs externally, and viviparous reptiles retain eggs internally until full development. Major reptile groups include turtles, tuatars, snakes, lizards, crocodilians, and dinosaurs, which are now extinct. Pictured here is the bearded dragon lizard. Birds. Birds have many adaptations for flight. All birds have hollow bones, a highly modified circulatory system, and feathers. Their forelimbs have been modified into wings. With a convex shape called airfoil, wings can generate enough lift for flight. Birds are endotherms, or warm-blooded. They have a 4-chambered heart and breathe through lungs. They have a very high metabolism in order to generate enough energy to power their flight, and a unique one-way breathing system that is highly efficient. They lay eggs. Birds are directly descended from dinosaurs. Pictured here is the kingfisher. Mammals. Mammals evolved while dinosaurs dominated the earth. After dinosaurs became extinct, mammals developed adaptations that allowed them to fill the vacant niches. Animals share 4 features: hair, mammary glands, a modified middle ear, and a jaw that lets them chew food. Mammals are endotherms, or warm-blooded. Hair helps us significantly in keeping a stable body temperature. Milk produced in the mammary gland is the primary food source for infant mammals. The three major groups of mammals are the monotremes, egg-laying mammals, marsupials, like kangaroos, and eutherians, all other mammals. Pictured here is the rhesus macaques, which are mammals, in the order primate. Humans. Humans belong to the group vertebrates and are mammals. Adaptations that enabled us to excel as a species include larger brain to body size ratio, endurance running, sweating, walking upright, hearing tuned for speech, and teeth that are good for eating a variety of foods.